Hello everyone, I thought I'd give you a quick update on the bike since I've changed up. I've been using it much more, so you can see it standing here in the car park of the office block. The most obvious thing is the perspex shielding, splash guard kind of, for the front and bottom battery box. That's a one-piece thing. That was quite a lot of work, and subsequently I will have to reform the fairing with the heat gun to allow me to corner properly. I've also added LED indicators, and as you can see, there's still the holes from the fairing blocks that can be taken out for maintenance. Haven't even bothered to do that since Dublin Maker last year. Generally the bike has been performing nicely after I changed the battery blocks, and adding kilometers all the time. After the fairing, I'm going to add the additional battery modules that I bought to go to 3440S. Let's see what I can fit there, and tidy up the cabling a little more before we have the meet up at the hackerspace in Dublin. Generally very reliable, even though it looks ratty. I wouldn't miss it for the world.